Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your condo insurance with Amica. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Amica website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the insurance section. Select Condo Insurance from the list of available policies. Review your current coverage details to identify any gaps. Click on the Upgrade button to start the process. You will see options for increased coverage limits. Consider additional features such as personal property protection or liability coverage. Select the options that best meet your needs. Amica may offer package deals or discounts for certain upgrades. Carefully review the cost of each upgrade before proceeding. If you have questions, use the live chat feature for assistance. After making your selections, proceed to the checkout page. Review all changes to confirm they meet your expectations. Finally, submit your upgrades and await confirmation. You will receive an email summarizing your updated policy details. Congratulations, you've successfully upgraded your condo insurance with Amica. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.